and welcome back to the Styles UK YouTube channel. Today I have something a little bit different for all of you that subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can use two different heat transfer vinyls to achieve a mixed media finish. The vinyls I'm going to be using today are Glitter Flake and Sportsfilm, two of our most popular vinyls. Glitter Flake is fantastic if you want a bit of a sparkle effect, and Sportsfilm is the #1 heat transfer vinyl for cotton and polycotton garments. It's got such a soft, thin finish to it and it applies in just 5 seconds. So really great one if you're looking for something to use for those everyday garments. But we're going to show you how you can add something a little bit extra to your designs to increase product value and make your product stand out to your customers. I'm going to be fusing these onto a really lovely sage just hood sweatshirt. I think the colours are really going to complement each other, so let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do before we go anywhere near the application is cut out our heat transfer vinyl. We're going to be using the Graphtec CE7000 today. It's one of my personal favourite cutters. It's just so quick, so efficient, and it's really quiet as well. So if you are doing other things in your shop and you don't really want much of a distraction, I would 100% recommend this cutter, and for speed as well. We have two configurations on this cutter. One's for Sportsfilm and one is for Glitter Flake, but you can easily go into the settings and adjust the force and the speed of the cutter so that it cuts your heat transfer vinyl perfectly every single time. You can also carry out test cuts, so before you cut your entire design out, you can make sure that it's on the perfect cut settings and you don't waste any heat transfer vinyl or time. So once your design is all good to go, send it through the cutter, let it do its thing, and then it'll be time to weed. Don't forget, when using heat transfer vinyl, you do have to mirror your design. Don't cut it backwards, we've all made that mistake. Once your design is cut, it's time to weed it, so just remove any excess vinyl that you don't want to print. And of course, because we're doing the mixed media design here, make sure that you have the elements you want from both materials rather than just having the whole design cut on both. So we've removed some letters from the glitter and some letters from the Sportsfilm to make sure that they both match up when we do apply them to the garment. Step one is, of course, pre-press your garment. So we're going to take our sweatshirt, place it onto the Hotronix Auto Open. It's the heat press we've chosen today. You can see the caddy stand makes it super easy to get that garment isolated for the layer that we want. And then we're just going to pre-press for 5 seconds. I'm going to take the Sportsfilm side of the design and we're just going to tack this to the garment. Because this doesn't take very long to fuse, we can get this to apply and peel it so that we can then hit it again with the glitter application. So really quick and really easy way to do this. So take the first layer of your application. And I'm not going to be using release paper today because this is a hot peel transfer. I'm just going to put this down for 3 seconds just to tack it to the garment. We will be able to peel this hot. So I'm just going to carefully remove the carrier on that one. See, that already looks fantastic. The next step is to take your Glitter Flake heat transfer vinyl and place this onto the garment as well. So line it up so that it's in perfect position with the other part of your design. Now, even though glitter is technically a hot peel transfer, I am going to use some release paper for this application because we've already done the Sportsfilm and that doesn't have a carrier on it anymore. I don't want that coming into contact with the heated plate. So we're just going to protect it with a layer of release paper. And we're going to fuse this for 10 seconds. So that's the glitter application. So when this pops up, we will be able to peel this hot. So peeling away the glitter layer there. And there you have it. You have a 2-layer application with heat transfer vinyl. That's all it takes. It's really easy. And the great thing about Sportsfilm is that because it does have that soft, thin finish, it's a great one to pair up with other vinyls like Glitter Flake. So it's another way that you can utilize different heat transfer vinyls and decoration materials to level up your business. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Styles UK YouTube channel, and we'll be back very soon with another video.